Hello, this is TeacherPnx. This lesson is a continuation of the divisibility rules. In my first lesson, I have already discussed divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. Today, we will discuss divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. Divisibility rules. What are they? These are rules which helps us find common factors easily. It helps us see if a number is divisible by another number without remainder by adding all the digits. Divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. They are grouped together because they require computing the sum of the digits. Divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. How do we know if it is divisible by 3? Let us follow these examples with their step-by-step process. Divisibility rule for 3. Example 1. Is 342 divisible by 3? We will answer it with a yes or a no. Step 1. Add all the digits. 342 equals 3 plus 4 plus 2 equals 9. Step 2. Divide the sum by 3. The sum is 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Because there is no remainder, it is a whole number, and the answer is yes. So 342 is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule for 3, example 2. Is 561 divisible by 3? We will again answer with a yes or no. Step 1. Add all the digits. 561 equals 5 plus 6 plus 1 equals 12. Step 2. Divide the sum by 3. The sum is 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Therefore, there is no remainder. So 561 is divisible by 3. It is a yes. Let us go to the divisibility rule for 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. If you remember the divisibility rule for 2, you will just have to see or look for the ones digit or the last digit of the number. The number should be even, or it should be 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Then it is already divisible by 2. Divisibility rule for 6, example 1. Is 126 divisible by 6? We may answer with a yes or a no. Step 1. Add all the digits. 126 equals 1 plus 2 plus 6 equals 9. Step 2. Divide the sum by 3. The sum is 9 divided by 3. Then the answer is 3. It is divisible by 3. And then we will look at the last digit or the ones digit, which is 6. And 6 is an even number which is divisible by 2. Therefore, the answer is yes. It is divisible by 6. Example 2. For the divisibility rule for 6, is 176 divisible by 6? We will see here first, 176, the last digit again, or the ones digit is 6. So therefore, it is divisible by 2. We will find if it is also divisible by 3. Step 1, add all the digits. 1 plus 7 plus 6 equals 14. Step 2, divide the sum by 3. The sum is 14 divided by 3, which is 4, remainder 2. Therefore, because it has a remainder, 176 is not divisible by 6. We will come to the divisibility rule for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible or a multiple of 9. Divisibility rule for 9. Example 1. Is 135 divisible by 6? May we answer it with a yes or no? Step 1. Add all the digits. 135 equals 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. Step 2. Divide the sum by 9. The sum is 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Because 1 is a whole number, there is no remainder, so therefore the answer is yes. Divisibility rule for 9, example 2, is 356 divisible by 9? We may answer again with a yes or no. Step 1, add all the digits. 356 equals 3 plus 5 plus 6 equals 14. Step 2, divide the sum by 9. The sum is 14. Divide 9 equals 1 remainder 5. Because there is a remainder, 356 is not divisible by 9. It is a no. Let's practice. I know you can do it. Identify mentally if the numbers are divisible by the given number. Say yes if the number is divisible and no if it is not. So your answer is only yes or no. Number 1. Can 163 be divided by 3? Yes or no? Correct. The answer is no. Why no? Because 1 plus 6 plus 3 is 10. And 10 is not divisible by 3. That's right. Number 2. Can 516 be divided by 3? Is it a yes or a no? Yes, it is divisible by 3. Because 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 6 is 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. Correct. For number 3, can 456 be divided by 6? Is it a yes or a no? No is out and yes is in. Why yes? Because 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 6 is 15. And 15 is divisible by 6. By 3, I mean. And 6 as the ones digit is divisible by 2, so it is yes. Number 4. Can 514 be divided by 6? Yes or no? Okay, let's see. Because 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 4 will be 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. And 4 is divisible by 2, but then it is not divisible by 3. So, therefore, the answer is no. No, it is not divisible by 6. Another, for number 5, can 789 be divided by 9? Is it a yes or a no? The answer is no. Because 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 9 will be 24, and 24 is not divisible by 9. Number 6, can 768 be divided by 9? Is it a yes or a no? It is a no. Why no? Because 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 8 is 21, and 21 is not divisible by 9. Another practice. I know you can still do it. I can count on you. I'm counting on you. You put a check under the correct column applying the rules for divisibility. For number 1, 315. Number 2, 120. Number 3, 8,640. For number 4, 4,176. And for number 5, 540. All you have to do is you check the correct column applying the rules for divisibility. Is it a 3, 6, or 9? You may answer only one. It can only be 3 or both. It can be 3 or 6 only, or it can be 3, 6, and 9 columns, which means you will have 3 answers, or you may have 1 answer only, or you may have 2. Okay, so I will give you a time to answer in your notebook. Okay, are we done? So let us now answer. 315 is divisible by 3 and 9. Correct. How about number 2, 120? 120 is divisible by 3 and it is also divisible by 6 but not 9. How about 8,640? 8,640 is divisible by 3, divisible by 6, and divisible by 9. How about number 4? Number 4 is also divisible by 3, divisible by 6, and divisible by 9. How about number 5, 540? For 540, it is divisible by 3, 6, and 9. So there you go. Did you get that? How many correct answers did you have? I know you have 5. Okay, let's go to the next practice. The third practice and the last practice. The direction is, using the divisibility rule, encircle the numbers whose factors are the given number before each item. So, you will encircle the number whose factors are the given number before each item. For example, in number 1, the factor is 3, or divisibility rule for 3. We say divisibility or factor, they are just the same. For number 1, the numbers are 84, 346, 57, and 264. For number 2, the factor is 2. The factor is 9, I mean. So the numbers are 299, 627, 657, and 846. For number 3, the factor is 3. The numbers are 312, 799, 843, and 579. For number 4, is it a factor of 6? The numbers are 378, 216, 1953, and 117. For number 5, is it a factor of 6? With the number 477, 522, 296, and 346. I will give you time to answer. Okay, are we done? For number 1, we have 84. Correct. 346 is not, but then 57 is, and 264. It is a factor of 3. How about 9? And for number 2, we only have 657 and 846. For number 3, we have 312, 843, and 579. For number 4, the answer is a factor of 6 for 378, 216, and 1953. For number 5, we only have 522. Have you answered it all? Wow, congratulations! I know you answered that. To summarize, how do we find the factors of a number using divisibility rules? Divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. Divisible by 6, number is divisible by 2 and 3. Divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9 or a multiple of 9. Okay, so remember always the divisibility rules by 3, 6, and 9. So with that, we will have your evaluation. Yes, you are already in the evaluation lesson part of the lesson. Direction on your paper, put a check if the number is divisible and X if it is not. For number 1, can 702 be divided by 3? Number 2, can 534 be divided by 6? For number 3, can 684 be divided by 9? And for number 4, can 1629 be divided by 9? And for number 5, can 789 be divided by 9? For that, you will answer within 5 minutes in your paper. And the time starts now. Okay, and the time is up. So we will now answer. For number 1, what do you have there? The answer is check. Number 2, check. Number 3, check. But for number 4, it is wrong. And number 5, it is wrong. Okay, so did you get that? How many did you get? Did you get 5 over 5? Very good. Very good, you did it. You are ready for the next lesson. I'm so proud of you. I know you did your best. If you have questions, don't forget to ask me, or you may choose to go back to this video so you have a clearer understanding of the lesson for the divisibility rule for 3, 6, and 9. Thanks for watching. If you think you learned from a video, please hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.